it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello. Today I have a tutorial on this green makeup look. It's very festive, it's very holidays, it's Christmas. It's super easy to do as always. I try not to do super hard looks. And if you are interested in how I got this look, please continue watching. Okay guys, so first thing that we're going to do is take the eyeshadow primer. This one is from Urban Decay, and I'm just going to apply some on my lid. And I'm going to spread it around with my finger. Perfect. Now I'm going to take a eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take this color here. It's from MAC. I don't know what it is because it's so banged up, and it's so banged up that it's also cracked. But it looks like this. And I do love MAC eyeshadows, but in my experience with all the MAC eyeshadows that I've bought, like individual individual little boxes, they always break. They break, or they're just really easy to break. I don't know if that's happening you guys with other brands. But for sure, like MAC usually always breaks on me. I don't know. So I'm just taking the green color and I'm applying it all over my lid. And even a little bit up right below the crease bone. Because I'm gonna blend it in with the brown that we're using next. And then just put that color to the side, because I'm gonna, after I do everything else, I'm gonna come back and then dab it with my finger, because for shiny colors, I feel like you get the best application if you're using your finger. It's just more, it comes out more pigmented. I don't know. Next, we're gonna take a blending brush, and I'm going to come in with this color from my MAC palette. You can use whatever you have at home similar to this. And I'm going to be putting that all over the crease. So from the midpoint to the inner corner, and just blend it out. And I'm gonna come here to the outer corner and up. So I'm gonna confess, guys, I'm not a big green wearer. Like, I don't have a lot of green things in my color, I don't have a lot of green things in my closet. And I saw this top on Amazon, and I was like, oh my god, I need this top. So this top, you can see it is a bodysuit, and that is what inspired my look today. And I'm like, you know what, like, Christmas is coming. I already did one Christmas look, but I'm like, let me like switch it up a little bit and add some color to this year's Christmas looks. So And I was like, green. Green is it. And I've been seeing that it's kind of like a trending color too. And I was like, you know what, I'll try it. And I actually really love it. I really love this shirt. I wore it out once already. That was it, but I did pair it with this eye here, but I didn't get a chance to do the tutorial, so I was like, you know, I'm gonna put the shirt back on and I'm going to do a look with green. And it's perfect for Christmas, perfect for really any time, but this specific like darker green here I think is great. Next we're going to be coming in with a little pencil like this, little brush like this, and I'm going to be taking a color, this color. So it might look black on camera, but it's not. It's like a very dark green, almost black, but it's not. And I'm gonna be applying that in the corner and making a V. So just here in the corner of my eye and up. And then I'm going to come back with the blending brush that I had, and I'm going to take that color that we put on the crease, and I'm going to blend out what I just did right now. Bringing it in towards the end of my lid, so up here. It looks a little messy, guys. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the dark green and just bring it in just to create that smoky in the end. And then I'm gonna go back. I'm not adding any color to it and just blend it out. And now I'm going to take this color here, and I'm going to be applying that up here. So it's kind of like a transition color, just to smooth everything out. And with my eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna clean it off a little bit because it has some green. And I'm going to be putting this color right here, right below my brow. transition color and just blend the two out. Now you see it's nice and smoother than when we started. And this will just clean up per usual. Now we're going to take an angled brush. And we're gonna be applying that, sorry, what is that? Okay, we're gonna be applying that like so. Because we're not using liner today, we're going to do an eyeshadow liner. And the color that I'm gonna take for that is black. Black, or this one works well too. It just depends how dark you want the line to be. So I'm gonna start towards the end and I'll work my way up to create like that lifted liner look and out, and then not so thick at the beginning of your eye. So thicker towards the end and thin towards the beginning. And then when I get towards the end, I just kind of flick it out. And then I'm going to take a little smudge brush and I'm going to just smoke that out. And then I push this out too much, so I'm just going to blend it out. Come back now with my finger and the green color, and I'm going to just apply it over again. You see that? Don't put the green away because we're still gonna use it. Now I'm gonna just spritz some of this. This is MAC Fix Plus Rose Prep and Prime, but I like to add it. I already put it on my face before foundation, but I like to add it because it just kind of like holds everything together, what we just put on. And now I'm gonna come with this smudge brush, and I'm going to apply some brown to the bottom lash line. And this one here is waterproof and it's from Sephora. It's called Flashy Liner Waterproof Flashy Ultra Green. And I'm just going to line the corner of my eye. And then I'm going to put some of the green eyeshadow on top of it. So I'm going to use this brush. So what that liner did was create a base for you to put the eyeshadow on top so that it's gonna pop more and it's gonna stay longer. And then I'm just gonna take the rest of the green and bring it out to the my eye, the corner of my eye. And I had already done that on this side. And then I'm going to take black eyeliner. This one here is from CoverGirl Black Onyx. It's a little retractable like pen, and I'm gonna line the inside of my waterline and the top. Now I'm going to off camera apply my lashes and my foundation, and I will be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I paired this green look with a nude lipstick from Morphe. It's called Single AF. And yeah, this is the final look. It's nice and green, perfect for the holidays, perfect for Christmas, perfect for whatever you want it to be for. So everyone, thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like.